Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at whether we can reprogram the Keyfob to be able to do preconditioning in the vehicle. The reason being that we might be losing the remote access with the normal cell phone application starting in February, and I think many people want to be able to preheat or precondition their car without having to go outside or go into the garage before driving off. So what I'm going to do is take Bimmer code, which I've already have my OBD adapter plugged in, and fire up Bimmer code to see if we can recode that. So I've already started it up. I'm at the control units page. I'm going to select the body domain controller, and it's going to hopefully update with the current code data. So while it's doing that, I just wanted to mention that there's some information that's out on the net that says that it's possible in the body domain controller under expert mode to be able to reprogram those keys to multiple functions, specifically key number 3 and key or button number 4. And let's look at a quick look here. These buttons can be programmed as no action, open trunk, panic alarm, follow me home, open front, or auxiliary cooling, which I think is the preconditioning. The code pins can be changed to short, mid, or long press of the buttons for button 3 or button 4. Okay, so the body domain controller is loaded. Now we need to go into expert mode, so we're going to do that next. Okay, once expert mode has loaded, we need to go down the list until we get to the remote, which is right here, remote control. We'll click on that one. And then we want to go down to button. I'm actually going to switch to button 4 because it looks like you can't do that. Long press button 4. It's currently set to action 3, which is the panic alarm. And we're going to change that to 7, which is the climate control. Okay. And that's it. Now we should just be able to code that, and we'll see what happens by hitting code. We get a note that says, be careful it's not interrupted. Make sure that everything is good with batteries on all devices. Looks like we're good. Make sure we're in airplane mode. Actually, I don't think I am, so let me double check that. Okay, now we're in airplane mode. Let's get back to that. Continue. Let's do it. And we're getting a bunch of strange errors as we're restarting that guy. Hopefully it'll clear in a second. And it says coding was successful, so hopefully that will be the case. Okay, so car is now off, and we're going to see if the coding actually worked by pushing the panic button, if it will turn on the preconditioning. So let's see what happens. takes a long press, and it did take a long press, and it looks like it did activate it. So maybe success. Does it turn it off if I do a long press? Okay, long press, here we go. Doesn't turn it off. How about if I lock the car? Does it turn it off? Push the lock button. No. Unlock. Okay, so definitely turns it on, but it looks like it does not turn it off with a double press. So that's the latest information we've got. So at least it's a way to work around in case you can't do the remote using the phone app directly.